whole lot of fake news on social media. So anybody who was not approved by my committee that has gone ahead to do a fake declaration is null and void. Okay? And the party has the list of those approved to carry out the exercise. And so they have done their submissions.
I have a list for you to notificate. Are these the people who
do you have?
Are these the list of people that you notificate?
Sorry, please, can you give us the list of your dedicated returning officers?
So that we will know.
So that you can be able to assess it.
Yes. Okay, so this is clear now.
Are these the people?
Let's hear the names.
Are you seeing, excuse me, are you seeing two signatures here?
No. Yes, ma'am. From here.
Yes. Are you seeing something written approved?
Yes, yes.
That's my signature and his signature. These are the only people that approved to carry out this exercise. I will just throw one to you because you are very nosy and you know I'm a friend to the press.
Thank you,
so on the light mood and on the swift mood also, because I have to run and I need to do the work. I'm here for my job. Yes. I will just, this is one of the approved one. And I think the returning collation officer for Pangshin, Kanye, Kanem. Please, I'm from Delta, not West. Yes. The candidate, the chairman for that exercise is Barrister Nado Andrew Kura. So that's the approved one. This is the approved one. Thank you very And it's not my position to provide those are party documents.
You know why we're doing that? So that when we go to the field, we know when a particular returning officer stops, we know that he is the authentic one. So that we record.
The party will provide you with that. Thank you very much and God bless you. So please, can I have the agents for today, the officials, the electoral officials?